So this is how you qualify for the Sui Airdrop. Head over to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download and install the Kiwi browser. Click on install. Then after installing the app, the next thing you need to do is open up the first link in the description below, which will show you the details of everything you'll be needing. All you have to do now is copy the first link, which is linked in the description. Head over to the Kiwi browser and type it and click on that add to Chrome. Wait for it to load up, and it will load up to this. Click on get started. Create a new wallet. You have to create a wallet, input the password you would like to use, and that's all. The next thing is to click on that button right over there and switch from this local to Sui testnet. Immediately just copy your address for you to get the testnet tokens. Head over to Discord, and for you to join their Discord you may have to go over to the second link, which will take you to the Zili website, and you have to click on that Discord icon right over there. Wait for it to load up, and immediately it should refer directly to your Discord account app on your device. And then you head over to, then all you have to do is verify yourself first and head over to the Suiswap points and type in link/link address. Click on link address and input the address which you just copied. Click on send, and immediately once you head back to your wallet you should see what is being added to you, a balance which should not be less than 1. As you can see, I've run some transaction, that's why mine is lower than 1. So the next thing for you to do is to click on that icon once again at the top right, that 3 dash. Click on it and switch from Sui testnet to devnet and click on request Sui tokens. Immediately you will get some Sui devnet tokens. You can request as many times as possible, but sometimes the bots do turns off by itself, as you can see. And with this you can do a bunch of things, like you can stake to earn more. Just participate in anything they are doing on the Sui network, and I'm sure you are going to qualify. But let's just switch back to the testnet and click on apps, then click on sovereigns, the first one, and it will immediately take you over to a page. Then click on the top right icon and switch the browser to a desktop site, and immediately you should see mint or connect wallet. Click on connect Sui wallet and click on connect. Immediately you should connect, and then you should see mint now. You click on that mint now. You have to approve a contract. Click on approve, and immediately you have just minted an NFT. All you have to do now is to head back, and if you head back and click on NFTs you should see your NFT. So using the second link to head back to the Zili on the Google Docs linked below, you have to perform every action here. You have to perform both the Friday blog post and many others to claim your rewards. By the way, I've linked the answers to the description below, the docs which I linked at the description below. You have to perform many tasks here, wait some seconds to claim yours, and even join their Discord server and many other things you have to do to claim a lot of things here. But as you're claiming, make sure to click the icon at the top right which represents your profile, and make sure you input the right details. By the way, another means of earning points is to edit your Twitter username and add Suiswap to it. Edit it and add Suiswap to it, and make sure to head over to your Discord and edit yours also, and click on icon, edit yours and add Suiswap to it. That's why if you head over to the Discord, let's switch to, no, not this, let's switch to them. If you click on Suiswap points, not this one actually. So if you head over to your Discord and click on this, click on that to show your points. As you can see, this is 0. I just figured that this trick new. This is 0 and this is 0, but the rest are being added because my Discord username I didn't have Sui to it, and my Twitter handle I didn't add any Suiswap to it. So make sure to add it. I just figured it and I just corrected it. That's why if you head over to my Twitter handle I added Suiswap, and over to my Discord I did same to make sure I earn some points. And by the way, if you're available on Twitter, make sure to give me a follow as I do drop some specific hot updates on Twitter before dropping it here on YouTube, as it takes a lot of time to make this video. So make sure to give me a subscribe button and smash that notification bell at the same time, and also make sure to stay tuned as I will be showing you how to claim their Bored Ape NFT, as they are dropping a new Bored Ape NFT. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out, as it's coming very soon. Bye.